Before any of this had a language, there was a man already asking the question. In the late 1990s, he was working on a problem for the United States Navy. How do you keep a person performing at their peak for 30, 60 hours, using only what the body already has? His answer was light. The company he founded expanded to more than 100 countries, over 200 issued patents, the majority in regenerative science, 80 independent clinical studies. 6 of 8 Stanford swimmers broke their lifetime records. 3 weeks after wearing the patch, the technology appeared at the Olympic trials. Over 1,000 people came forward. This is how LifeWave began. In the late 2000s, he made a decision. He would invest everything into stem cell research. 10 years of investigation, multi-million-dollar business, over 80 patents filed, 1 invention. He calls it his greatest achievement, a small patch worn on the skin, powered by the body's own light. Longevity is now on the cover of every magazine. Photobiomodulation is now in every wellness conversation. Holistic health is something many claim they are experts in. He was not inspired by any of this. He was already there.
Whoa, come on.
So, ladies and gentlemen,